In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop an animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and take a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. Let's add a shape and place it in the middle. In the title bar, click on Animations. In the menu bar, click on the Animations menu. From here, let's select the Spin animation. As you can see here, the animation stops after a few spins. So let's say you want to loop this animation. How would you do that? In the bottom right corner of the Effect options, click on the arrow icon. In the pop-up, click on Timing. In the Timing menu, click on Repeat. Here you can see a bunch of options are available. You can select a certain number or you can select until end of slide. This will keep the animation looping until the end of the slide. I will select this one and click on OK. Now, if I go to slideshow mode, you can see that the spinning animation keeps looping until I change the slide.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.